We used to think our solar system was the blueprint of the universe. We were wrong. As of 2026, we have found over 6,000 planets. We are talking about worlds where it rains rocks, the darkest planet ever discovered that emits only 1% of light and one giant ball of cotton candy? Starting with a planet that is 50% larger than Jupiter, but 7 times lighter, WASP 193b. Its density is basically the same as cotton candy. If you could find a bathtub big enough, the massive planet would literally float. That's why it is called the marshmallow giant. Kepler 16b was the first planet we ever found that orbits 2 stars. It is the first ever circumbinary planet. If you stood here, you would have 2 shadows and see 2 suns. But you'd never see them. Why? Because there's no ground to stand on. It's a freezing gas giant. GJ1214b is a planet with no land, just ocean, but not the kind you can swim in. Because it's so close to its star, the water is supercritical. That's a fancy way of saying it is so hot and pressurized that it's somewhere between a liquid and gas. On Earth, it rains. On Co-Rot 7b, you would need a strong umbrella because it rains rocks. One side of this planet is a 2,000-degree lava ocean. The heat is so intense, it vaporizes the stone. The rock steam rises, cools, and then literally rains solid pebbles back down to the surface. You must have heard about 55 Cancri E as the diamond planet. It is roughly 8 times the mass of Earth and is packed with carbon. Because of the insane pressure, astronomers believe a third of this planet is solid diamond. The total value? $26.9 nonillion. That's a 26 followed by 30 zeros. This is TRES 2b, the darkest planet ever seen. Reflecting less than 1% of light, it's blacker than coal. If you flew a spaceship towards this planet, you wouldn't see it until you were right on top of it. The only reason we can see it at all is because it's so hot, it gives off a red glow, like a fire. Kelt 9b. It is the hottest planet ever recorded, at 4,300 degrees Celsius. It is so hot that the molecules are literally torn apart. This planet is evaporating, leaving a glowing trail of gas behind it as it slowly dies. It is a planet that is literally too hot to exist. I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself.